My name is Marcel Merchan. I'm a shoemaker and also an educator. I teach this beautiful trade and I also have a workshop. Besides this, I operate a web shop where I sell all different kind of products for makers, crafters, hobbyists. Today, I'm going to do something special which I usually don't do. Unboxing. I started to work with a brand, Tarrago, and this brand is a really high-end shoe care product. I already took stuff out, so it's not a very classic unboxing video, but I have the products right here under the table, so I'm gonna show it to you. I'm going to make a bunch of videos for this very brand, teaching you how to use these products, and there's a wide range of products you can learn from these videos, and it's very simple to sign up for this let's say video course. Here you can give your email, your name, and you're in. You don't need to pay anything. You can just watch these short videos and you can learn how to use these really fantastic products. Well, we have a lot to talk about. We're gonna discuss all of these products, how to use them. I'm gonna share quite a few little tricks to make them very effective. Well, have a great day and see you soon.